you doing? Thanks for coming, guys. Nice to meet you. My boy. I'm happy you guys are here. Yeah.
Jose, will you take Allie, whom you now hold by the hands, to be your lawful and wedded wife?
I will.
Do you promise to love and cherish her in sickness and in health, for richer or for poorer, for better or for worse, and to forsake all others except for her, so long as you both shall live?
I do.
Allie, will you take Jose, who now holds you by the hands, to be your lawful and wedded husband?
I will.
Do you promise to love and cherish him in sickness and in health, for richer or for poorer, for better or for worse, and to forsake all others except for him, so long as you both shall live?
I do.
By the authority of the state of Tennessee and the minister of the gospel, I pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
We don't master relationships, we work at them. And also know this, guys, that no matter what struggles you have, anytime you come out the other end of that, you're gonna be stronger for it. So I just wanted to task you, knowing that my daughter is in great hands.
All right, now I'm nervous.
Jose, do you give this ring to Allie as a token of your love for her?
I do.
Allie, do you give this ring to Jose as a token of your love for him?
I do.
As a pledge
As a pledge,
and in token of the vows between us,
and in token of the vows between us,
I offer you this ring.
I offer you this ring.
I offer you my loyal love.
I offer you my loyal love?
Loyal.
My loyal love.
You are a queen, though, so. And I share all of life's future with you.
And I share all of life's future with you.